Okay, guys, right now we're at the beach. Yeah, guys, we're at the. It's cold. The water's really cold. Oh my god. It's really windy too. Really windy and cold. Guys,
Your wind.
I know. I think this is Delilah. Guys, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, I think it's gonna pick up the wind really bad.
I'm pretty sure it's just all wind.
Yeah, all wind for sure. Oh, stuff is flying away.
Hey guys. Yeah. Okay. I think she's ready to go in the water, guys.
I'm really excited. It looks really nice. Yeah. Nate, wanna be in my vlog? Wanna be in my vlog, Nate?
What?
Say hi. Say hi. Kendall, say hi.
I don't exist. I'm not a person. I'm a figment of her imagination. Trust.
Okay. Okay. That's nice.
Let's hold and then click.
Okay.
You get it?
No, I don't. Which button?
Hold until like you feel like the.
Okay.
And then you fully click once you hear it.
Okay. We're gonna try it. Okay, wait. We are with these peoples.
That's crazy.
Say hi again.
Oh my. Huh?
Say hi.
What?
Wanna say hi?
What?
Okay.
What?
Kendall, you're stupid.
Wanna say hi?
Kendall.
Okay.
Don't say hi, man.
Okay. Wanna say hi?
Sure, but it might come with a bunch of other things that come after it.
Okay.
Oh my. Cut that.
Okay.
Sorry, can I redo that?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay, go.
Sure.
Hi.
Okay.
Keep it in, don't worry.
I'm keeping it in. My YouTube channel?
No! Please! I'm gonna get your YouTube channel. I'm gonna get your YouTube channel taken down.
No, you're not. But you're not.
Maybe.
Because it's your words, not my words.
I'm sorry.
So I'm crying. The mic is not working.
I'm sitting right here. And I'm sitting here peacefully.
Look at the color of the sand. Hopefully it's not picking up the wind. I don't know. I'm not using my mic, so. Okay guys, the sun's setting now. Oh my god. This is Claire, guys. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. The sun's setting, guys. It's kind of really bad tide right now, but yeah, it's my YouTube channel. Baby. Claire's still going in the water, bro. Look at her. Such a diva right here. Diva moment. Okay. Oh my god, it's like the water's like crazy high too. Bro, guys, I guess we're doing volleyball. I guess, bro.
Everyone goes.
This is really cold. Oh my god, Mitchell, let me explain.
Okay, yeah, no, I'm not doing it.
I think it's falling, guys.
I'm going to submit.
James. I think the camera picked that up.
What?
I'm like filming right now. I'm pretty sure I caught it.
I wasn't invited, but I was invited.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is my vibe best friend, guys. Say hi.
Sure, why not?
Okay.
Can I have a microphone?
Yeah. Okay. That's like somewhat accurate. You want a hug? No, thank you. I very much might better off stay dry than wet.
Oh wait, this FLCL.
Hey guys, this is Brianna. Hello. I think she's been in my vlog like 2 times. I think I don't know. Hi. Oh, yeah. But you keep saying hi. Hi. What do you want me to say? I don't know. Hello. Okay, now we're like
on the other side. I'm tearing up right now because like it's hurting my eyes.
on that side. You wanna go on that other side? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh. Ma, they said this one or the other one. What?
Can you make it go out of my pocket somewhere?
I need someone to take my spot. Okay, do we have everything? Yeah, I
Must have died. Sounds like the Truman Show. No one saw that.
Okay, so what are we doing here?
We're ghost hunting.
So, ghost hunting means we're going to be looking for ghosts?
No, we're finding people that are alive. Oh my gosh.
That was Kyle.
Here it's about -5 degrees. Probably the ghost room, right?
Yeah. Alright.
Hey, ghost, are you alive? Ghost, what's your opinion on people taking too long to set?
Oh, thank God. I wish.
Okay, I did, but like, who got a world record here? Those are broken cities.
Haha, Mr. 5th place.
It's so accurate.
Literally like, what's wrong with you? Third of all, he goes to Cal State Long Beach instead of Fullerton.
Yes!
Why would you do that? Now he's dead. Okay, I'm taking it now. Give me that. Okay, well, anyways, look who got this beer box down! Okay. So, now it's my turn to talk to the ghost. Ghost, are you dead? Ghost, do you like pickles and raisins? Ghost, on a scale from 6, 7! How do you feel about pickles? Okay, well, I guess you didn't like that. Is the ghost loading? So I guess I'll just place this down. Maybe he'll like this. Alright,